Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a fun and easy Labor Day poster. Are you ready to celebrate all the amazing workers around the world? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's grab our black marker. Ready? Draw a big circle right in the middle of your page. Now, inside the circle, draw some wavy lines to show the land and oceans. This is our Earth. Let's make it cute. Draw two round eyes in the center. Now add a smiling mouth. Yay! Our Earth is happy. Behind the globe on the right, draw a big wrench.
La da 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 dee.
Next to that, draw a pencil pointing up. Then draw a strong hammer in the center. After that, draw a scale or ruler. And finally, on the left, draw a masonry trowel for the builders. At the bottom, draw some grasses to show the earth is alive and green. Now draw leafy branches on both sides of the globe, left and right. Beautiful! Nice job, everyone! Our Labor Day poster is complete. Now let's make the outlines bold and sharp to make everything pop. Wow, it already looks awesome! Let's color our drawing using rainbow colors. Show your colored pens one by one and say the color name while coloring. Blue color.
Wow!
Indigo color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Red color. Bottle green color. Red color. Orange color.
La da 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 dee.
Yellow color. Purple color. Silver color. Well done! You did such an amazing job. Look at your colorful and happy Labor Day poster. Let's celebrate all the hard workers who help make our world better. Thanks for drawing with me today, friends.
Yay!
See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.